What you can also do inside of Microsoft Power Pages is attach out forms that you may have as well. So for that, over here in a section, you can see that form is an option. If you don't see it right here, then you can click on the three dot button and then you would see form right here. But let me just go ahead and click on form, and then it says choose a form right here. So it says describe a form to create it. I'm using AI to actually go ahead and create it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say design a form for a carnival ticket right here, just like this. For example, I'm just going to go around over here and then say next right here, just like this, and it'll create out a form for me. I can also go ahead and create a manual form as I want right here, but in my case right now I'm going to go ahead and use AI to create one. So you can see that there's the carnival ticket form right here, just like this. Press OK right here, just like this, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and create out the form for you, and then you'll be able to go ahead and see it right here. So you can see it says okay. It'll just take a few moments to add the form to the page, so you need to go ahead and wait for a while. And then this is what you have. As you can see, you got the ticket number, then the name. You can go ahead and edit out the field as you want as well. And this is actually quite interactive for the users. They can go ahead and enter out the content and then submit it out. So let me just go around over here onto preview right here in desktop. And then what happens is that they'll be able to go ahead and see the form right there, and we'll be able to go ahead and add in the details on it. For example, they can go ahead add in the ticket number. As you can see right here, they can go ahead add in the name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say Pratik Pradhan right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in the A's right here. Let's say, for example, ticket type, so child, and let's say a ticket type will be senior. Let's say, for example, and then the expiry date right here, just like this. You can see the purchase date around over here as well. Price, payment method, you can go ahead and add in. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then type in this email address, and then I'm going to just go ahead and type in a few numbers. So if I were to go ahead and submit, then what happens is that it says submission completed successfully. And this is how you can go ahead and add in a form using AI in Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.